So we've already talked about the importance of having a conversation with new leads as quickly as possible. But almost just as important as that is making sure that the conversations you're having with these new leads are productive conversations. And what I mean by that primarily is making sure that your lead is talking to the right person. A lead doesn't want to waste their time talking to an admin who would then redirect them. And also they don't want to waste their time talking to a producer who can't really help them for the specific type of policy that they're looking for. So a solution to that would be to use our Rotate Agent module here. So I'm just going to click on it. And basically what this module is, it's a list of all of your agents or your producers. And it's a place where you can describe what policies they can write, as well as some other parameters. And I'll walk you through that right now. So say you have a new person who just joined your agency or your brokerage. You want to add them to the Rotate Agent module. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in this person's name. So someone just joined our agency, and their name is Tom Rogers. So I'm going to make it Tom Rogers here, and I'm going to make the owner, of course, Tom Rogers. These next three things here are the parameters that I'm talking about. So the first one is not available. So if Tom Rogers is on vacation, for example, you can simply check this box. Nothing will be assigned to Tom Rogers. Second thing you can do is you can specify how many leads Tom would get in a single day. So if he's a new guy, maybe he only gets 2, 3 leads per day. If he's a veteran, maybe he gets closer to 15. So you can specify that. I'm going to go right in the middle. And then the last thing is you can specify what type of insurance he can write. So let's say Tom Rogers is a specialist when it comes to commercial, but then also let's make it travel as well, just as an example. Then I'll hit save. So now that you have your Rotate Agent all set up, now let's see it in action. So I'm in a view that's showing all of today's new clients, whether it be referral, website write-in, whatever it is, it'll appear here. So currently it's showing no clients found created today, but maybe we can just refresh to see if anyone's coming. So it looks like one person has come in. So let's click it and show you how that Rotate Agent function actually worked. So looking at Michael Insurance, you can see that he was interested in commercial insurance. And if you remember, we made Tom Rogers someone who is able to write that commercial insurance. So scrolling down, we can see that it seemed to have worked. Tom Rogers is now the client owner. But just to show you exactly how that worked, we can see in our timeline here that when it was created at 8:31, the client owner was updated from Tom Hall to Tom Rogers. And the reason for that is because what we set up in the Rotate Agent, the fact that Tom Rogers can write that policy. The last thing I'll show quickly is going back to the Rotate Agent now. You can see he can do commercial here, but if I quickly refresh, you can actually see the rotation count here. So you can see that how many leads have been rotated to Tom. So we can see that there's currently 2 that have been rotated to him. And this is just to keep track so we make sure we don't hit that maximum of 10 per day.